Thanh Tung Thinh Co.Ltd is a reputable Driftwood supplier and manufacturer of premium wooden pet toys. With over 14 years of experience, we are dedicated to crafting sustainable, safe, and eco-friendly products. As a leading manufacturer in Vietnam, we are constantly innovating to cater to the evolving needs of global customers.
Hello everyone, I'm Johnny. Welcome to Tung Thinh. We are a direct supplier with 100% capital in Vietnam. We specialize in natural driftwood, handmade bonsai driftwood, reputable decoration, pet products made from copperwood, and more. With our expertise and modern facilities, we are here to support every product that you need. Today, I'll be your guide, as we can take a closer look behind the scenes and explore what makes our products unique. Let's get started. Firstly, we are committed to providing high-quality driftwood directly collected from the naturally fallen trees or carried by water.
It is meticulously gathered and treated to guarantee long-lasting durability and safe use. The tropical climate enhances our driftwood solid structure, distinctive natural hues, and remarkable durability, making it ideal for aquascaping, decoration, and handicrafts. With a team of over 50 skilled artisans and technicians dedicated to every detail, we are committed to delivering the highest quality products. Every stage of the production process is rigorously monitored, from selecting raw materials, cleaning, processing, and refining driftwood to thorough sterilization to eliminate harmful bacteria, ensuring each product meets the highest standards of quality and safety.
Each product undergoes strict quality control, meeting all the export standards before reaching customers.
We provide OEM or ODM services to fulfill customer design requests. Beyond driftwood, we offer size and shape customization for bonsai driftwood and pet toys. We also offer laser engraving for dog chews and bird perches, allowing businesses to personalize products with names or logos and strengthen the brand recognition.
We offer a wide range of wooden products, including natural driftwood, handmade bonsai driftwood, wood pet products such as dog chew, bird perch, reptile hideouts, and more.
Each piece undergoes a meticulous treatment process, including thorough cleaning, drying, and careful disinfection to remove pests and material while preserving its natural beauty.
The next wonderful product is handmade bonsai driftwood, made from natural driftwood and wooden powder.
Crafted entirely from 100% of natural driftwood, our bonsai driftwood showcases expert craftsmanship with distinctive shapes and a variety of sizes. Designed for interior decor, aquascaping, and miniature landscapes, each piece undergoes careful processing without harmful chemicals, ensuring safety for aquatic life and the environment.
Our pet products are very popular. Our luxury toys are made from straw cotton. That's no longer natural. Humidity of our copperwood dog chew take from 10% to 13%. You know what? If the humidity is very low, the copperwood dog chew is easy to be cracked. And if the humidity is high, this product can be easily to mold. Another product made from old, non-fruiting coffee trees is bird perches. an innovation in pet toys industry.
Naturally hard and dew-resistant, Driftwood provides a long-lasting perching surface, ideal for birds that enjoy gnawing. Each perch undergoes precise hand finishing, ensuring a smooth yet textured grip to support nail health and prevent slipping. Our perches are free from artificial coatings or harmful chemicals, making them completely safe for birds. Available in various sizes and shapes, we cater to small, medium, and large bird species, offering a natural and enriching environment. Our products are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transportation and export. With secure and eco-friendly packaging, we ensure product integrity while delivering lasting value to our international customers.
Let's do something great together. Let's start today, so we can help you to the next level of business.